surprise sketchbook tour because I myself wasn't expecting to be doing a sketchbook tour this soon. But unfortunately, there was a slight catastrophe that occurred that made me have to finish my sketchbook very early. So for those of you who haven't seen my how to start a new sketchbook video, I will leave it in the description below, but you'll notice that I put it up very recently, and it was a very good sketchbook, or so I thought when I was starting it, but turns out it wasn't, because just 2 weeks in, it completely just fell apart and all the pages came out, and it was a very harrowing day for me, I must admit. So what I decided to do is I really liked the sketches and the drawings that I'd done in that sketchbook so far, and I didn't want to like lose them or just throw them away or stick them in another sketchbook. So I thought that I would take them out and bind them into a petite little sketchbook, and I thought I'd show you guys the very little sketchbook that I filled in like a week or so. So what I basically did is I put all the pages together. I bound them with just a very regular stitch, as you can see, and then I just gave them like a cardboard cover. It's not even protective or anything, because I'm never gonna like really touch this because it's finished. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get right into the tour. So as I said previously, I bound this sketchbook myself with all the loose papers that fell out of my old one, and as you can see, it is pretty small and petite. And here is the 3 like kind of binding stitches I used. But yeah, getting onto the actual tour, I decided to keep my little goals page because I feel like I did achieve most of them in these little pages that I had. Some of these sketches were actually from an old sketchbook that I decided to tear out and put in here. It's a sketchbook that I had to leave back home when I came back to Leeds in January, so I wanted to keep the drawings in the most recent sketchbook I had. But I've been loving adding little text to my little sketches because I think it just looks really cute, and it's a good way to implement little quotes and stuff in your sketches. And as you may have noticed, I had a lot of sketches of Kevin Moon and Onu from Astro, and it's just I had a bit of a phase. And these drawings I actually really enjoyed making because they were kind of out of my comfort zone. But yeah, the left one was inspired by Luisha on Instagram. I'll leave her Instagram down there so you can go check her out. But yeah, I kind of just use her style a bit to practice a different style for me. And yeah, these gouache landscapes, I did a speed painting of them that came out just this week, if you guys want to go check that out. And I really enjoyed how they look, so I had to keep them in. Then I did some line art with some ink on the right and some fine liners on the left. Again, I will leave most of the materials that I use in the sketchbook in the description below. I really like this landscape I did on the right side with my ink, my teal ink, and it just looks really pretty, I think. And then these were kind of unfinished, but I did some more gouache landscapes, but I never ended up finishing them. So moving on. Yeah, here are some more face studies with some little quotes I did at a coffee shop. And these are some logo designs for a brief. They're not really, sketchbook stuff, but they were just some ideas. And here I did some other drawings inspired by Kevin Moon again, but no one needs to know. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my very little sketchbook tour today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one.